Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a free landing page with Wix. Let's get started. First, log in your Wix account and go to your chosen website. Then on the left panel here, click on Pages and Menu. Then click Add Page. Then click on Landing Page right down here. Wix has made available to you different templates for your landing page. You just have to pick the one you like the most. Once you've picked one, click on Add Page. Once Wix is done generating your landing page, you can label it however you like and then click Done. Now just click on your landing page and click Quick Edit right here. And then on the right side, a panel will appear where you can customize and edit the content and layout of your landing page. And that is how you can create a free landing page with Wix. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.